Hello and welcome. Today we are doing something like a mug like this one. And there we go, we are wonderfully in a new farm. So we're going to delete the cube and add a cylinder, make it smooth, and add a subdivision. Import a reference image because I can never judge where its damn handle is. Align everything, make it bigger, make a loop cut, make another one. Go to the top, select it, make an inset with eye, around this, take a look through it, and scale it down. Pull it down, twice. Looking a little bit thin, let's add a solidify and make it thicker. There we go. Apply the solidify, maybe get a little bit bigger maybe. Make loop cut here and there. Select two faces, press E and extrude them. Make the subdivision a bit higher. Select these two faces and make an inset with eye. Go to edge, make a bridge add loop, align them a little bit, make another loop cut here. And there. Add a material, give it a random color, give it an HDR or make HL lighting, make it transparent, make it a little bit more shiny, add a plane, give it as well a color, delete that thing, and voila! Done is your wonderful mug. I hope you like it. Till next time.